Hello everyone, I'm Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Today, I want to explain a subject that many people misunderstand and worry about, especially defendants and their families. Bail in the court stage. Under Thai law and universal legal principles, every suspect and defendant is presumed innocent until a final judgment is delivered. Therefore, detention before judgment is an exception, not the rule. The court must consider bail requests promptly under Section 108 of the Criminal Procedure Code, but whether bail will be granted is entirely within the discretion of the court. When considering bail, the court does not look only at the charge but examines several key factors. These include the seriousness of the offense. If the penalty is light or the offense is not severe, there is a higher chance of obtaining bail. If the punishment is severe, such as long-term imprisonment or the death penalty, the court will be more cautious. The court also considers the strength of evidence in the case file. If the evidence is weak, ambiguous, or there are indications of innocence, the court may find detention unnecessary. On the other hand, if the evidence is strong, such as CCTV footage, forensic evidence, or a confession, the court may consider the risk too high. The court will also review the circumstances of the case, including whether the act was violent, caused public outrage, or whether mitigating factors exist, such as necessity, financial difficulty, or compensation already paid to the victim. Additionally, the court examines the defendant's personal circumstances, age, health, occupation, family ties, permanent residence, criminal record, and whether there is a risk of fleeing or interfering with witnesses or evidence. The court also considers whether releasing the defendant would pose a threat to witnesses, victims, or society, as well as objections raised by prosecutors or investigating officers. Many people ask how the court calculates bail. The law provides no fixed bail amount. It depends on the facts of each case and is determined at the court's discretion. Accepted forms of bail include cash, land title deeds, government bonds, bank passbooks, guarantors, or collateral leased from private companies. Bail applications may be submitted by the defendant or relatives, and attaching a written statement explaining reasons supporting bail can increase the chance of approval. If the trial court denies bail, the defendant still has the right to appeal to the Court of Appeal, which now generally considers bail requests quickly. It is crucial to understand that bail does not mean acquittal and does not conclude the case. Bail simply allows the defendant to defend the case fairly without being detained before judgment. Proper preparation and presenting reasonable grounds clearly to the court increase the likelihood of temporary release. Understanding these considerations helps reduce anxiety for defendants, relatives, and lawyers dealing with criminal proceedings.